Import graphics from a spreadsheet using the Custom Designer application. We will open a partially created label template to begin. Add a graphic placeholder object using the graphic tool. And then select your directory, which is going to be the location of your label graphics. We'll save the template, and you will then import your data using the Print Partner application. We'll open your recently created dynamic graphic template file, and then use the Advanced Import Labeling Extra. Here we will open your spreadsheet, then select to import from a spreadsheet. We have a created spreadsheet already with some variable information. Before we import the data, let's take a look at the spreadsheet. Within the spreadsheet, you'll see variable information for serial number and product number, as well as the name of the graphic. Within the Advanced Import wizard, we will also see the similar serial number, product number, and graphic. Dragging and dropping the information onto the template displays the data from the spreadsheet, including your dynamic graphic.